Apple will launch a new budget iPhone in the first quarter of 2020, said analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, known for accurate forecasts of the company's products. The model will receive the latest A13 processor and iPhone 8 design. The release of the second-generation iPhone SE smartphone is scheduled for Q1 2020. According to TF International Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has earned a reputation for accurate forecasts regarding Apple's new products, the new SE version will be executed in a design similar to the iPhone 8, but will get a modern filling, including an A13 processor and 3 GB of RAM. An insider said that the new budget version of the smartphone will have a 4.7-inch screen and 3 GB of RAM. The iPhone SE2's target audience is iPhone 6 owners who don't want to overpay for iPhone 11 features like multi-camera modules or Face ID. The new model, Kuo believes, will assume the role of a productive device that will be maintained and updated for a long time and will be compatible with all modern iOS features and new services such as Apple Arcade. Given the more affordable price of the new product, which will be at the cost of the iPhone 8, about $450, its appearance may become a key factor for the company's sales growth next year, since according to Kuo's forecast, iPhone SE2 will reach 30 to 40 million in 2020 pieces. This is almost equal to the amount of iPhone XS and Apple iPhone XS Max that Apple sold from October 2018 to June 2019. Other sources confirm the intention of Apple to release a new cheaper iPhone next year.